How to trade stocks. Before you even get into trading stocks, you're going to have to make a very key decision. You know yourself, so this decision should be rather easily to even come to. You're going to have to make a decision as to how you would like to trade stock, what type of personality you had. Trading stock is very dependent on how you think and what type of personality you have, and there are two fundamentally different ways of trading stocks or arriving at the decision to buy and sell stocks. One is called technical analysis, the other one is called fundamental analysis. In general, the technician or the technical analyst is a person who doesn't care what's going on at all. They're confident in their mathematical skills, reading charts, and what does the chart say. So the entire analysis is based on what's the historical value of the trades of that particular company and what is going on right now, this split second. That doesn't mean you completely ignore, war in Iraq or something like that. It means that at the end of the day, all you care about is what is the chart looking like right now. Fundamental analyst is the exact opposite. They analyze the company to such a degree that they know the company better than the CEO themselves. And while that might sound funny or that might sound arrogant of a fundamentalist, it's probably true because a CEO has to deal with being a CEO, while the trader is only looking at the valuation of the company from the perspective of everything that's going on in the company. The CEO isn't terribly concerned about the valuation at every second. So, do you believe in your mathematical skills? Do you believe in your ability to develop skills that so that you can look at a chart, look at historical charts, and say, yes, now is the time to buy, versus how a fundamentalist goes about deciding which to buy? In this series, we're going to delve down specifically in this question. Are you a fundamentalist trader or are you a technician? Do you like looking at charts only? Would you like to grab your laptop, get some Wi-Fi, and go sit in a park and trade? Or would you rather be super confident and going about doing the things that are fundamental? And the reason I'm sort of escaping coming right out and say what a fundamentalist does is because it's very involved and very detailed. And let me say this right off the top. There are a heck of a lot more open, I guess, should be I don't want to say more just mathematically. I want to say they're more open about that they are a fundamentalist trader. They will go on the news. They will watch the news. They will really look at what's going on in the market, what's going on in politics, what's going on globally, versus a technician who does not. Also, it is the notion that fundamentalist traders become much more rich than a technician. However, that being said, it's not true what Jim Rogers said that he has never met a rich technician. That's crazy because technicians can make $10,000 an hour. Now, there might not be technical billionaires. I don't know if there are or if there aren't, but there are indeed plenty of fundamentalist billionaires. You make your own decision as far as that is concerned. This is all about your personality and what you are confident with doing and how you approach thinking in general. This is a thinking man's game. And I put a couple of quotes up for you all to see. It would be very good to pause the video and take a look at those quotes because they give you some insight into what other people, how they approach their trading. I also am going to link some books on Patreon for you to definitely take a look at. And these are not motivational books, meaning I'm not going to be listing Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm going to be listing actual books on technical versus fundamental or delving deep into fundamentalist trading, fundamental analysis, or technical versus technical analysis. You have to make this decision before you start trading. So before I get into it, now, what have I done? I have done a hybrid of the two when I trade. So there you have it. You're going to have to understand what fundamental analysis and technical analysis is before you even get to talking about doing hybrid or semi-hybrid or super hybrid or conglomerate analysis. I like both. It's my kind of like my personality. I like everybody, hate everybody. So kind of that's how I trade. Thank you for watching, and the series will continue on Patreon. Thank you.